Hello students, so in the exercise 1.3 in the integer lesson, till I am going to complete for you in the last video only 5th main B, till B, right? Now we are move on to the 7th question. It is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. So remember one thing students, when it is a 4 terms are there, 4 terms, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, that time you need to go for associative property. When there is a two terms, then you have to go for distributive property. Okay, here you are not going to use a inverse identity that all. Okay, only you are going to apply associative property and distributive property. Okay, so 2 is there means you are going to solve for using the distributive property. Here now how many terms are there? 4 terms. No, 4 terms is there time you are going for by using the associative property. Okay, so you also write it that question, continue in your classwork. So by using the associative property, which one is easy for you, you can take it here. Okay, so I'm going to take 15 into, easy one only I will going to take 15 into, what is their number, easy one, minus 10. I'm going to take 1. Okay, so into this, into as it is, next remaining two numbers I'm going to take, that is minus 25, okay, into minus 4 is there. So 15 into plus into minus, minus 15 into 10, 150 this answer, into minus into minus, it will be plus 25 into 4 we have to do, 4 5 is 20, 2 carry, 4 2 is 8 plus 2, it is 10. So sign what is this, minus into minus plus only that. Okay, so now we are going to multiply here 30, here 20 10, no 30 totally, 15 ones are 15. So sign also you need to take now when there is a multiplication, plus into minus, minus. So this is the answer for this. Okay, like that. Next we are move on to the D one question. It is minus 41 into 102 is given. Okay, so which property I told you before only, 2 is term is there means you can use which property, distributive property. Distributive property for this property. So distributive property doing time, we want to take that what, a plus b, for example I am showing here, what is that says, a plus b into, so distributive property says what, here we are going to take the multiplication, no, not addition one, a into b plus b into c, same number we are going to adding or multiplying want to take. So here a into b plus b into c, in these two number which one you can make a two terms, you have to choose. 40 plus 1 also we can take, but here sign C minus is there. Okay, so when the minus sign, leave positive and choose, that is easy for you. 102 we can write 100 plus 2, no, or else you can write this also, but how we are going to take, it should be 41 want to take, 41 in the sense you have to take 43 minus so you have to take it here 102 one. Okay, so I'm going to split this number as by using the distributive property, 100 plus 2 one number, okay, into minus 41 I will keep as it is. Now what you have to do, a into b. Okay, so this is a b now, b into a. Your distributive property you want to take means you have to take it here, a into b plus b into a, same number here, this is a b here. Okay, so this is a term, this is a, this is b, we are going taking, right? So here choose this next line, 100 into minus 41 1, okay, plus 2 into minus 41 another. How I am going to do it, a into b plus b into a, interchange, or here 2 into 41 also you can write, 40 minus 41 into 2 also you can do. Okay, both value multiplying it should be same. Okay, that's why don't confuse here, 41 into 2 also you can write. Okay, multiply here, this will gives minus 41 into 100 is means 41 two zeros. Okay, 4100. Okay, minus, plus into minus, minus 41 into 2 or 2 into 41. It should be same like only. So 282 is again in here plus no. So plus into minus we are getting minus sign. Now you need to do the subtraction or addition. Both also minus minus in the sense you need to do the addition, but you have to keep the bigger number sign. Remember minus into minus is there. You are doing the addition sum means you need to do the addition only, but bigger number sign want to keep. Bigger number sign. Okay. Bigger number sign want to write in the before, otherwise your sum will be wrong. So I am going to keep the bigger number sign, minus into minus, plus 4100 plus 82 will be 4182. Okay, so here don't put a plus, bigger sign want to write while you're doing the addition or subtraction. This is all. So see, now here also 4 term is there, but it is say a into b plus a into b plus a into another number type is there. So you can use a distributive property or associative property for this. We can easily see two numbers is repeating, same like here we are did, right? 41 is repeating. Like that we can take a common here for this and we can simplify easily. So I will go with distributive property only, not associative property. Okay, by using distributive property. We need to do what? Easy make, and we are going to calculating. Okay. So here I am going to take 625 into minus 35 plus, once again write it, it is 25 into 65. So here 625 we can take a common. Okay, 625 as a common. So 625 if I am going to take a common, what left here? Minus 35. This also you need to take a sign also, plus into minus, minus 625. Here we are taken a positive number, not it is 65, sorry, minus 65. Okay, so now it is easy for you now. So now answer 625, minus minus is there, you need to do addition but keep a bigger number sign. It will 65 plus 35, it is 100. So now answer is minus, plus into minus, minus 6200 sorry 62,500. Two zeros, no, 100 to we are going to multiplying. So it is 6,250 is the answer. Okay, like that next one sum. So here we are going to use the distributive property only. 50 minus 2, they only split and give it for you. What we have to do? A into b. Here minus is there, so minus will be answer. Plus is there means we are going to take what? A into b plus b into a, or a into b. Here minus is there time, a into b minus b into a, like this. Okay, we have going to take. So I am going to splitting this 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. A into only I will did. Okay. So multiply this 7 into 50, 0, 35. Okay, minus 40. So if you subtracted 14, 350, it will be 336. Okay, easy now. When it is two terms given time, you can split it, or else here they will give a 48, means you have to write it what? 50 minus 48, like that. Okay. See now here in the G1 question, both also negative is there. Positive is there means you can take it easily, but negative is there means nearest 10th place come one, take it. You can make a 17 for this. Which numbers, two number you are going to take? That should be 29. Here minus 30 plus 1 we can take, no? It should be what? Minus 29 we got. Right? So like that, minus 7. Here what you are going to take? Minus 20 plus 3 you will get minus 17. Plus into minus, minus, but you need to keep the bigger number sign. Okay, which one easy for you to calculate? 1 is there or 3 is there multiplying? 1 is there, no? That's why I'm going to split this 29 here. Okay, 17 I will take as it is. By using the distributive property, write it. So I'm going to split minus 17 as it is. I'm going to take this. Okay, into minus 29 in the place I'm going to take. You have to write this also side over I'm going to take. Okay, plus 1. Got it? So because why I'm going to take it this? Minus 29 is equal to minus 30 plus 1. It should be like this. Okay, minus 30 plus 1. So now here split it. Now you know that it is a plus into minus minus. So here bigger number sign, plus into minus minus only, but what here also minus is there. You can use the a plus this, no, a into b plus a into b. Same like also you can take our a into b plus b into a also you can use. Both also same I told you. Okay, that I am going to apply here. So here, so I am going to take minus 17 into minus 30 plus here minus 17. This is a one term, a into b I am going to take it. Minus 17 into what is there here? 1. Okay, so easy multiplication we can do, no? So minus into minus, it is plus only. 17 3 is a 51, 1 0 as it is, plus 17 plus into minus minus 17 ones are 17. So final answer it is plus into minus is there, minus only 510 minus 17 want to do, you will get answer 3 here. It is a left is a 10 0, no, already you are giving a borrow here. So 10 minus 1 is 9, here is 4. So it is answer 493. So what sign you are keeping here? Plus only. Okay, this much is their answer for this. Okay, next one you will, last one in this H1 question is minus 57, okay, into minus 19 plus 57 is given. So now which property you are going to use this? See here plus 57 is there, these two into is given. Okay, you can split it directly, you know, 57 into 57 is there, both here same they will given 57. So 57 into 1 we can make, no, here this one. So 57 into 1, two terms we want to take, right? 57 into 1 we can take, no, 1. Okay, that like I am going to take distributive property only easy. Okay, using distributive property. Okay, so minus 57 into minus 19. Look here, I am going to take it 1, this for this. If you want, you can write this in a pencil side, then it is remembering easy for you, right? So now I am going to take a 57 common. Okay, here minus 57 is there, here plus 57 is there. I am going to take a minus 57 only outside. So into, here you are going to adding these two. So minus 19. So here minus sign already you taken, no? So here you are going to get plus, here minus, plus into minus. This sign already taken means for this also we will get a minus only, minus 1. So it is minus 57 into, here plus sign in that, plus into minus. So here you will get minus 20. So final answer minus into minus plus 57. 1 0 write it. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10 1 11. 10 1 11. So answer 1140. Okay, this is end of your 5th main, totally till H question. Next is their summing problem. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So here there you have to copy this question from here only. So answer for this, first what is the room temperature here? So certain freezing process means they are going to freezing, means cooling that room. Okay, room temperature be lowered from 40 degree, starting at what is there, 40 degrees Celsius is their room temperature. Okay, so I will take that only. Then after what they are doing, they are going to freezing and lowering the temperature. Okay, room temperature will be room temperature is equal to 40 degree Celsius is given. So next, what is given? Rate at which every time they are going to reducing. Lowering means lessing. Lessing means you have to take a positive sign or a negative sign. Negative sign. Lessing in the sense negative sign want to take, no, rate at which they are going to, at which temperature, I will write the TEM, temperature is to be lowered. Okay, so lowered in the sense that should be minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so every hour they are going to do what? Minus 5 degrees Celsius they are going to reducing. Okay, so next, what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process began? After the process began, what will be the temperature we need to calculate? So total temperature we need to check first. Total temperature lowered. First we need to calculate this. Lowered after 10 hours. First we need to know. Then after we have to check that what will be the room temperature. Okay. So 10 hours, that is equals to 10 hours into minus 5 degree. For every 10 hours for 5 degree you have to multiply. It will give minus 50 degrees Celsius for every hour. 10 hours for this. Okay. So 1 hour for this, 1 is there, means 10 hour 10 into lowering temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So it gives 5 degree. Therefore actual room temperature lowered after the process begins. It is equal to 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius. It will give what? Minus 10 degrees Celsius. This is the answer for the 6th main. So the remaining will be, we will do on the next video. Okay, so till this much 5th main and 6th main, practice well.